Winter in Chicago can be pretty cold, and so can the inside of your car if you park outside. But it doesn't have to be. A remote starter from Apt is a great solution to keep you warm. In this video, we'll go over some basic information to help determine which remote start will work best for you. The first thing you'll need to assess is the year, make, and model of your car. Some high-end luxury or sports cars are not going to be compatible, so if your car is in one of those categories, your best first step is to call and speak with one of our experts to check compatibility. If your car doesn't fall into one of those categories, you'll have some options to consider. Remote starters are available as one- or two-way systems. A one-way system sends a signal to the starter in your car, and as long as it picks up the signal, your car will start, but you won't know until you can see the car. These are less expensive alternatives to a two-way system. A two-way system sends the signal to start the car, but will also send a signal back to the remote to confirm your car is started. It's more of an investment, but worthwhile if you don't have a line of sight to your car. Two-way systems also operate over longer distances, however, the operating distance will vary from model to model and can be affected by your surroundings. For the best way to start your car, we offer an option from Viper called Smart Start. This can be added onto one- or two-way systems. It works with an app that can be downloaded to Android or iOS devices. This option requires a very reasonable subscription fee, but allows you to start your car from anywhere you choose as long as you have cellular or Wi-Fi signal at both your location and the car's. So those are the major factors to consider when looking into a remote start for your car. And don't forget, any remote start purchased from and installed by Apt comes with a lifetime guarantee on the labor and installed parts. If you still have questions or need help with your selection after watching this video, please contact our experts and we'll help determine the best solution for your needs.